Deixa eu ver. 41, 45, tá aumentando. Hey guys, how are you doing? Let me see if everything is clear. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Let's see who is in here. Let me see here. Yeah, I think it's working. Is it working perfectly? Can you just tell me in the chat, please, so I can keep going. Naman is here. I cannot Swapna, sorry about the pronunciation. I cannot read every name here. Who else is here? Pratik Singh, hello. Let me do the following. Open chat here. Okay. Rupak Siva Shankar, hello. Who else? Is everything clear? Can you hear me? Just tell me yes in the chat, please. Ibrahim, Samira, direto from Houston, Jardison. Nice. Okay, thank you guys. So it's working. Yeah, I'm doing great. How are you doing? Who in here already started the course? Who in here already enrolled in the Power BI eXperience course? Tell me in the chat, please. Pratik, Richard, nice. Let me change here the screen so I can share my screen with you guys. All right, there you go. Okay, I can see the chat here. Okay, so I'm gonna read during this live stream. So tell me, I'm here to help you. Tell me your questions. What are your questions? What do you want to ask me about Power BI, about the course? So I'm here to talk with you. Okay, guys. Is there something that you didn't understand during Power BI week, or something that you don't know about the course that you want me to clarify? Problem making payment with PayPal. Yeah, sometimes PayPal does not help us, but just send me an email. We try a different approach, okay? When there is a problem with payments. Okay. So that was my main goal, to increase your interest in Power BI, like our friend here. Very nice, very nice. So what's the duration of this course? Okay, this course has over 200 classes, okay? 200 lessons. And it has around about 40 hours, so 40 hours of recorded video. So you can finish, depends on you, right? You can, if you think you can finish in, I don't know, maybe 3 months. Okay, fine. You're gonna have to work to study a lot. So if you study 3 hours a day, I think in 3 months you can finish, because you have the exercises. So it's 40 hours of content, but you must practice. You know, you must practice. So in order for you to practice, to watch and practice, you're gonna take longer than 40 hours, maybe twice or 3 times this time, right? So it depends on you. Depends how you wanna study and how you wanna make these exercises, because you have a lot of exercises here. For example, let me go here to the mission 3. Okay, on mission 3, you have some tasks. Task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it's not so easy to start working with the DAX language and complete these missions without having to study, to go back, to watch the lessons again, and so on. So when I say, oh, the course has 40 hours, then you divide 40 hours. If I study 2 hours a day, in 20 days I finish. Yeah, you finish watching. But are you gonna learn watching in 20 days, 2 hours a day? Probably not. Just watching the course, you're not gonna learn. So you have to practice. You have to do your homework to understand and then to practice. So for example, during mission 3, okay, let me open here the requirements for this mission. So this mission 3, is about the DAX language. Okay, so we have here the story about the customer, our client, which is Heavy Power Nutrition, and then our goals are the following: to create this matrix, okay, with our data, because we have net sales, target sales, and then target sales by state. So you have to compute target and break down this number, this target, by state. So using the DAX language, like this, for example. You can see here, this is the original measure that I give. Then my challenge is the following: how can I break down these numbers to the current state? Okay, so this is a state in Brazil, another one, and so on. How can you get these numbers here? Not so easy for beginners. So you're gonna have to study. You're gonna have to practice. Another exercise: how to build this matrix here. Another one like this, and so on. Okay. So if you wanna just watch the course, all right, in 20 days you finish. But you're not gonna learn. That's the main goal. That's the main point. Okay. Let me see here the questions that I missed. Can we make $16 for every month? No, you have to pay for 1 year at once. Okay, if you want to pay month by month, then it's $25 per month. Oh, nice question. What if I take the monthly payment of $25 and I get stuck in the middle? You have here an area for comments. Okay, so you can ask here, and our support team is gonna help. If you choose the monthly payment, the monthly plan, you have this area for asking for help, to ask for help. If you choose the annual plan, then you get our community, okay, under Discord. Let me show you here. The monthly payment, $25 per month, you get this area, and our support team is gonna help. For those who choose the annual plan, then you get access to our community here, okay? And here you can talk with other students, and we're gonna help here, as in this case, Ayumi is gonna help you as well, okay? With the measures for data modeling, for the DAX language. So Ayumi is always helping us here. Visualization, Power BI service, and also you have this space for sharing social networks, for talking with other students to find new opportunities, and so on. So this area here, this community is very nice. But it's only for the annual plan, okay? Because I want to make sure you stay at least 1 year with me, so you can have access to this community. Okay, what else? Let me see here. Do you know something about database or data warehousing before? No. Luca, you don't need to know anything about data warehouse or database before joining the course. For 2 reasons. First, because you can work with Power BI without knowing databases, no problem. As we did during Power BI Week. If you work with files, you don't need database. But in here, on bonus 1, I teach you about SQL Server and data warehouse. From zero, I show you how to install SQL Server, how to restore a database, the basic SQL language commands, and so on. And these lessons, guys, they last around 10 minutes in average, okay? So they're not gonna last 1 hour, 2 hours as in Power BI Week. They're shorter, like this, 15 minutes. And every single lesson, there we have these subtitles in English.
About the basic SQL commands. Okay? So here.
Look at this.
Filter to
About SQL Server, about this SQL language. How to query a SQL database and how to import this data from a SQL Server to Power BI. Let me see the other questions. Sorry, let me go back here. Why don't I take online sessions? Because we have different time zones and people cannot join live. They prefer to watch later, to study and practice on their own pace and so on. So people are different. That's why I don't make live streams or a live course, an online course with live lessons, because people prefer to study at their own pace. So that's why the course is self-paced. All right? Nice. Jefferson, I have finished replicating the Power BI Week lessons. How can I share on LinkedIn? What I like to do is the following. I like to record my screen, okay? Or take pictures, but I prefer to record. And there is a free software for that, which is the one I'm using here to make this live stream. But this software also provides you the option for recording for free. OBS Studio, okay? You can download OBS Studio and then you can record your screen. All right? Let me give you in the chat. Okay, you can find OBS Studio just searching on Google. And then what I like to do is the following: is to make some filtering like this, and then clicking some buttons and show this work that I did, that I performed, that I created. I record this video and then I publish to LinkedIn this video, explaining what this dashboard is about and so on. Okay, that's how I like to do. If you want to share a link, like for people to access the report online, then you need an account. It can be a free account, okay? Because you have to publish first. When you click here, publish, it's gonna ask for an account. And you can create a free account. I show you in the course how to create a free account. So you can publish to the web and share this link to other people. So this link is like this one. Let me show you here. So when you publish your report, it goes here to the Power BI web service. And then, let me find, it's here, I think. Yeah. Let me show you another one, okay? This financial report that we did in the previous Power BI week. This one. It comes here, okay? And if you want to share this link, you go to File, Embed Report, Publish to Web. Create embed code, publish, and then you get this link. And you can share this link later. This link is free, it's public, so everyone can see if they have this link, all right? Like this. Works the same, every single visual is interactive, dynamic, and so on. I cannot show you now how to create this free account, but inside my course I teach you. What else? Let me see. Please enable debit card. I cannot enable debit. It's not up to me about the payment options. I use Hotmart, and this service does not work with debit card. It's not my fault. Sorry. Okay, question about SQL, I already explained, okay, about SQL. How to share a dashboard using Gmail, I show inside my course. How to learn and create the same 12, how to learn and create the same 12 dashboards that you give. Okay, so once you understand how to create one single dashboard and you understand the whole process for creating dashboards, what you can do, what I do is the following. For example, let's suppose I want to understand how to create this dashboard here. Human resources, okay? Okay, I download this dashboard and I start looking to the measures, to the model, to Power Query, and so on. So once you don't need a lesson to teach you how to create this dashboard, because you already know how to create dashboards. So if you look to the measures, first to the data model and the measures, you can understand and you can replicate this dashboard later. Okay, so you don't need one lesson for each one of these dashboards. It's even better for you to understand by yourself how this dashboard was built, because you already know how to work with dashboards. You already know how to create a data model, how to work with the DAX language, and so on. Then, of course, you need first to finish the course if you want to understand how to create dashboards like this. Shiva, do I have to pay 16 monthly in annual plan? If you choose, let me go back here to the, let's clarify this. I think I don't know why is this so hard to understand. Let's see. Here, okay, pricing. You have two options. $25 per month, paid monthly. So every single month, it's gonna charge you $25. You can cancel anytime here. You can cancel anytime. If you think you can finish the course in 1 month, choose this. Choose this option, okay? Then you start studying like like crazy, and you can finish the course in 1 month if you want. Okay, then you can cancel. You can cancel. You pay only $25. But if you think you're gonna need more time, which is obvious, you're gonna need at least one. That's why you have this year option, this annual option, because it's humanly impossible to finish the course and to learn in 1 month. You're gonna need much more time. I like to say the following. You need, in 6 months, you can finish the course and become a master in Power BI. That's what I always tell. But don't you think you're gonna need to sometimes watch some lessons, or maybe go back to a DAX function that I talk about in the course? You will need this, okay? So that's why I have this option for 1 year. And 1 year is $192 paid once for 1 year access. Oh, what if I finish the course in 6 months? Can I cancel? No, you have 1 year access and you have 1 year of commitment. 1 year access with 1 year commitment. Is it clear now? Will I get certification in monthly plan? Yes, you will. When you finish 100% of this 213 lessons, you get your certificate. You get. It doesn't matter the plan. It doesn't matter the plan. It can be the monthly plan. Monthly plan. Let me see here. What else? What's the difference in content between Power BI Week and the full Power BI Experience course? The difference is around 34 hours of difference. We have in Power BI Week we had 6 hours of content, just the tip of the iceberg. Inside the Power BI course we have 40 hours, much more content with every single step during Power Query, transformations, data modeling, the types of relationships. Did I teach you about many-to-many relationships during Power BI Week? No. Did I teach you how to work with the dates between function? No. So we have much more details here inside the Power BI course. If you expect that Power BI Week is enough for you to work in real projects, you're wrong. Power BI Week is just for you to start working with Power BI, to start to create your first dashboard. Then, from this, you need much more knowledge to work in real projects, okay? What else? In $25, can I access for lifetime? If you don't cancel, you pay $25 per month for as long as you want. Can I renew my subscription? Yes, after you finish your... It will be automatic, okay? The renewal is automatic. How can I pay monthly fee? You just go here to the website and choose sign up now in the monthly fee. This is the monthly fee. For Mac, Power BI cannot be downloaded. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah. No, it can't. But then you have to choose between... You have to install a virtual machine, a Windows virtual machine on your Mac. Then you can work. What else? Can you add Google Pay? Yeah, I think I can. Let me see. Okay, let me see here if I can add Google Pay. Let me see. Oh, we have other options, I think. Yeah. Let me enable here all options we have here inside of this service. Let's see. Tools. All right, let's see here. Yeah. Subscription. Just one moment, guys. 1 second. Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and let's see. So look at this, guys. Just to show you, I'm enabling now every single payment options. Okay. Let's see if something changes right there. Saved. Let me refresh. Again, it takes some time. Let me go back here in a moment, okay? Let's wait a little bit longer. Oh, let me see this one. The annual plan. Just let's wait a little bit, and then maybe I think it's gonna appear here the Google Pay and Samsung Pay as well. I'll check later. Can this help for DA100 Microsoft course, Microsoft certification? Yeah, look at this. Every single topic that the exam, every single topic that has in the exam is covered here in the course. And also, after this, you get some exam preparation quizzes. We are just uploading the quizzes here, okay? I can show you in another platform we have how these exam preparation quizzes are gonna be. This week, next week, all these exam preparation quizzes will be inside the platform. Don't worry. So let me show you here how it's gonna be. Like this. So we have preparation quiz, okay, and this one has 36 questions, the same, very similar to the real exam. Very similar to the real exam. You have 4 of these, around 150 questions, okay? And we can also help with tips and tricks in our community. in our Discord community, we can talk about the exam preparation, the quizzes, and also the DA 100 exam. When the class will start? When you want. It's self-paced. You join the course and you watch whenever you want, okay? Because the course is recorded. Does the course cover SAP HANA connection? It doesn't, but look at this. Look at how difficult it is. Get data, and then you type here HANA, SAP HANA, there you go, double click, and then you make your connection. In my case, I cannot make this connection because I don't work with SAP. I don't have an SAP installed in my machine or access to a server with SAP. So I cannot access any of this, okay? But if you work with SAP, it's just clicking there and connecting to the SAP. What I don't cover is the following: how to work with SAP, how to create your views inside SAP. No, I don't. Then you need a developer inside your company. How can I access the class? Through the web. Through the web. You get an access through the web. Guys, I'm gonna make a change here. Let's do the following. Okay, so no, you won't be confused anymore. You won't be confused anymore. I'm gonna make this live with you. Okay, so everyone's gonna understand now, and no questions anymore about the pricing. Let me change here. Okay, why it changes? It's enabled now. Where is it? What? Let me see here. No, I don't know why it's not working this way. All right. Oh, nice question. If I select monthly subscription, and let's suppose you chose monthly subscription, and you liked the course, and you wanna change, you can change to the annual subscription. No worries, okay? You're not gonna lose your month, so it's gonna work fine. You can make this upgrade later if you want. So let's do the following, guys. Let's do the following. I'm gonna make this. It's $192 per year. No questions anymore about $16. There we go. Is it clear now? There is no $16 anymore. It's $192 per year. It's equivalent of paying $16. If you make the math, that's what it means. That's what it means. Can I have access to the 23 dashboards in the monthly payment? You can. The only thing you lose when you choose the monthly payment is the community, the access to the Discord community. This access here to talk with me, to talk with Ayumi, to ask for help, to do some networking, to find new opportunities, only for the annual plan. For those who live in India, only in dollars. The payment is only in dollars. Okay. We are Mango people. What's Mango people? Now we understand. Thank you, Ali. Aziz. What's Mango people? Will we get renewal message after 1 year? I think it's automatic. I'm not sure. But I think it's automatic after 1 year, okay? Simple. Oh, understand. Just to show you that this way of showing the price is normal. It's regular. Okay, it's by default. For example, masterclass. I'm going to show you here masterclass. For those who know masterclass, look at this. Same thing. Okay. Where is it? No, here it's different now. But whatever. Never mind. Let's see here another thing. All the Google and other options. Oh, it's working now. The Google Pay and all other options. That's good. Let's see. I think I have cache here in my computer. Let's do the following. I have a cache problem in my browser. Yeah, it's working. Look at this. Now you have Samsung Pay and also Google Pay. Okay, you can choose between those. That's good. Thank you for suggesting this. Debit card, I don't have this option for debit card. If I had, I would enable. Sorry. Debit card does not work. Okay, SQL. What about SQL inside the course? Let me show you here. SQL. What you're gonna learn about SQL. Okay, you're gonna learn the basic SQL language commands: select, join, inner join, outer join, where, group by, and so on. How to create a staging area. How to import database tables to Power BI. How to create dimensions in Power Query, okay, but connecting from tables in databases. How to create queries. So, for example, let me show you here.
In this lesson, I need the country name.
Let me put this in high quality.
And the continent, which comes from the region table.
So we're gonna work with this, okay? How to create these queries.
If I want here the discount.
Let me see another one. Creating views. How to create views inside your database, and I give here the query, okay, and so on. And also how to create and configure a data warehouse to get updates from your database with procedures. I'm gonna teach you procedures as well. Will we learn data cleaning? Yeah, sure. Here, in data cleaning inside SQL Server, and also data cleaning on mission 2, because we're gonna understand about normalization versus denormalization, how to work inside Power Query, how to understand the M language, and so on. Here you have steps for transforming and cleaning your database. Cleaning and transforming our data here. Cleaning and transforming our data. Can we connect SAP HANA? You can. What else? Once I pay, can I get the classes directly? Yes, you have full access once you pay. Full access to all those 200 lessons. Does the course cover sharing option? I talk about sharing here, okay, during part 1 on mission 6, and I show how to share reports, publishing reports, sharing. If you want to talk about Power BI embedded, it's something a little bit more complex, but we can talk in our community. Okay, in our community we can talk about Power BI embedded. But I explain how to embed, for example. Let me show you the course page. Okay, the page where you can subscribe to the course. You have down there, if you go down, we have some embedded dashboards here. Let me show you here. This is a dashboard that was published to the web, and I embedded here in my website. This I teach. Look at this. It's all dynamic. This is the dashboard we create together. Okay, this sales performance dashboard with these buttons here, and then I can change my analysis to geography or product. What else? Let me go back there. I can also do this drill through. Look at this. I just clicked there. I'm going to teach you how to click on this bar. So this button is enabled, and then I can go there and see my orders for this specific product. Very nice. Very nice. Can you give us access for $16 a month? Forget about $16. Forget about it. It was not a good idea. $25 is the access for 1 month. How to make money with Power BI? Whoa. This is easy, very easy, okay? Because you can be a freelancer, you can be a consultant, or you can work in a company using Power BI. And there are a lot of companies that are requiring professionals that work with Power BI. Look at this. Let me show you here LinkedIn. Okay, let's try to find some how is it? Vagas in English? Spots. Spots. Let's find some spots here for working with Power BI, and let's choose India. I think most of you are from India, right? I can make a filter there. India. There you go. And only for, this is not people, vagas, spots. India, India, India. Where is it? India. Locale. How can I change locale? Can I find India here? How? I think I can, but I cannot change locale. How do I change this? I don't want a Brazil. I want some. Come on, guys. I'm not finding. Whatever. You can go to LinkedIn and type there Power BI. You're gonna see how the number of spots we have in different countries. Procure para mim. How do I create data? How to create data? You get data from your company usually. Do you have advanced DEX session? Yes, I do. Inside mission 3, we have advanced concepts of DEX language. There you go. And I explain everything about the functions, the most important functions. And during these tasks, I work with very advanced functions or concepts like this. Look at this. Let's see the measures I'm going to create in this lesson.
And this is a very nice one, because we're going to use some table manipulation functions.
Table manipulation functions. Let's see here what I built.
Let's see how many orders.
Look at this. This is one of the functions we create, one of the measures we create. And I explain everything, how it works. And I explain here with these drawings. So the good thing about the course is that you're gonna understand the whys. Why this function is important? Why am I using this? Why not other one? and so on. Let me see here about the spots in India. I think my colleagues here found. Okay.
Pode chamar de job opportunity.
Job opportunity, yeah, sure. Here in India, we get 3,800 results for India to work with Power BI. Okay, Power BI, BI reporting and analyst, Hotstar. What else? Power BI developer, Power BI, Power BI. So we can help in our community on how to create a portfolio, for example, and how to search for these job opportunities. Okay, so if you create your own reports and you build your own portfolio, it's much easier to get these opportunities here. I guarantee you. This happens a lot in Brazil with my students. It doesn't change along the world. Data analyst, like there. Home serves India. Very nice. Vai Corinthians. A Brazilian guy here. I think it's Brazil. Yeah, Brazilian. Intelectual treinamento. Okay, guys. Hello from Tunisia. Nice. Hi. Can we connect Oracle Hyperion? I don't know. You can connect to Oracle databases. Now, if Hyperion applications are connected to the Oracle database, then yes. All the lectures are in English, yes. Only English with subtitles in English as well. Do you plan to teach other dashboards than financial or sales? I have here other areas. Dashboards for other areas, like this. We have dashboards for logistics, human resources, and production, and another one for logistics, and then sales and financial. So these are the ones we have. Other areas, for now, I don't work with other areas, so not for now. But you can do it. You can do it. You can work. You can create your own report in other areas and publish. Then you are gonna be the one that is the first one creating, for example, reports with IoT data. I never saw it before. And there are some remotes here. Oh, sorry. Here. To work remote. Yeah. Some. 117. To work remote. Questions like this. Do you teach dashboard for area whatever? It doesn't matter the area. You have to understand the following. What you have to learn are the concepts. You have to learn the concepts and the whys. Then you can build the dashboards for any area. It doesn't matter if I'm building a dashboard for financial or for insurance. It's the same thing. Just the numbers change. The numbers and the KPIs change. But the concepts are the same. So if you learn Power BI, if you learn the concepts, you can create dashboards for any area. Please give me one more option for 6 months, $100. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Another option? 6 months, $97, for example. Would that work for you? I can do it if if you find this interesting. For me, it works also. Yeah, $97 for 6 months. Would that help? Sure. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna do this and then I send on Telegram. Okay? Are you on Telegram? I send by email as well. Including certificate, yes. And I'm gonna provide the access to the community as well, okay? For the 6-month plan. Fazer já, né? Let me do this here, guys. Let me do this right now. New plan. 6-month plan. I'm doing this right now. Just a second, okay? $97. Until the client cancel. Yeah. Okay. Save it. Okay, all right. Just 1 second. I'm finishing here. Then I give you the link in the chat. I just have to configure something here. Okay. All right. Okay, I think it's gonna work. Let's see. Pricing. Hot links. Let me see. $97 for the semester. Semester or semester? How do you? Okay, it's in the chat. I'm gonna make this page more beautiful later, okay? But as I did it right now, you can go and subscribe for the 6-month plan. Then you can change. For example, if you choose, for example, this plan, and then you find, oh no, I prefer the yearly plan, the annual plan, you can upgrade as well, no problem. Where can I see the contents? Okay, the contents I'm gonna provide the other page. Yes, Google Pay is already available in this one. Okay, for the content, go to this page I'm providing you right now. Google Pay is already included. So you're not gonna find for now the 6-month plan in the course page. Okay, just in this direct payment, just in this original, just this page that I just showed before. 1 second, let me see. Yeah. You can pay until Tuesday if you want. 6-month plan includes community. Yes, includes community. Let me just make sure about this. Let me make sure. Salma, I've tagged you on LinkedIn. I'm gonna say later, okay? Don't worry. It's too many people tagging me there. And I thank you for this. Users, content, groups, users, oh, 1 semester is equal to 6 months, not 6 semesters. 1 semester, 6 months. I'm just changing some things here because to guarantee you're gonna have access to everything that this plan has, okay? Just 1 second, okay? All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. And also, guys, remember that you have 7 days to test, okay? 7-day money back guarantee. So if you're not certain about joining the course, join, decide later. I'm gonna provide the link again for you to. No? Nima? Okay. I just enabled all classes for the 6-month plan. What else? Let me show you the link again for the 6-month plan. Okay. There we go. $16 per month yesterday is for one entire year. 16 times 12, 192. The same thing here. This is the 6-month plan. Ninguém? You can use this link right now to the $97 plan, okay, for the 6 months. And then later, after the live stream, I will enable this option as well in the site, in the website, in the course, in the original page. But for now, you can use this link. It's gonna be the same one. Don't worry. Yes, if you don't like the course within 7 days, okay, so you can subscribe now, you can join now, and until the next Thursday from next week, you can cancel. You can ask for the refund, and then you don't pay anything. You pay, but then you get the refund, okay? In 7 days. I will provide the link in Telegram as well later after this class, okay? I'm providing you right now because you asked for. A lot of people said yes. Now it's your turn. Link showing 25 per month. No, look at this link here. This is the link, okay? This is the link. I'm sending the link in the chat. Don't go to the original link for. Let me show you here. This is the link. This link here. Let me see if everything is. Yeah, it's correct. There you go. $97 per semester, or $97 for 6 months. This offer is valid until Tuesday. Tuesday is the last day for signing up the course. There is no option for international debit card. No, sorry, only credit card. Sorry about that. Can we get the notes during Power BI Week? I already provided. During lesson 1, you can go there and find the notes in the download button. This offer is valid until Tuesday. I cannot enable a debit card. It's not my fault. Sorry. I would if I could, but I can't. Unable to purchase. Why? Oh, because of the debit card. Sorry. Ask for borrow a credit card from someone. Hello Brazil! I'm Amaury Nogueira. Will the 40 hours be covered in 6 months? Guys, again, let's go again. The course is fully recorded, okay? So you get access to the entire course, every single lesson here. You get access to the course when you pay. When you pay, you get access. Then you finish on your pace. It can take one month. It can take 1 year. It can take longer. You can maybe you'll never finish because you want to go back and forth. So it depends on you. Okay. What I can say is the following: in 6 months, you can finish the course if you want, and if you want to renew the course, because the course is gonna be always updated. Okay, with new content. So you get these updates later as well, and you get access to the community. You don't lose access to the community and so on. In euros, there are taxes. Yeah, there is a certificate. There is a certificate of completion when you finish all classes. Okay. You get a certificate of completion for the course. Who have problems with credit card? Who use Google Pay? Oh, okay, so with Google Pay, can I use debit card? I think so, right? On Google Pay, you can, like this. You can choose here, Google Pay. And then you use your card on Google Pay. I think debit card works in Google Pay. Let me see. Google Pay, debit card. I think so, right? Yeah, you can use a debit card for Google Pay. Actually, you can use Google Pay for debit card. Thanks for the tip. Do I offer some kind of certificate? Yes, certificate of completion after you finish the course. Do I get the full course for 1 month? You get the full course, but you don't get access to the community on the monthly plan. Guys, look at this. This link here that I'm providing to you, keep this link safe, okay? Keep this link safe with you, because I won't share this link on Telegram and email, okay? So it's just for you. You are here with me during this live stream, so it's a bonus for you. Okay, I'm not gonna provide this link for others, as I said before. No, only you deserve this. If I don't have access to the community for 1 month, how can I ask for questions? Here, inside the course, you have this area for comments. So let me show you a class with comments here, so you understand better. You have this area for comments. Then you can ask your question there. For example, this one. 22 comments. Ricardo is the member of our support team that helps. Okay, there you go, like this. That's how you ask for help in the monthly subscription. What else? Here it's fine. The 6-month plan gives access to the community. Yes, it gives. Here, look at this. Ayumi just told us. Oh, I'm in front of my. Sorry, in front of my screen. Ayumi is here and said, "I'll be there on Discord to answer your question, your doubts." So Ayumi is the one who is in our Discord team, okay, in our Discord server, to help you as well. We have over 200 people there, 200 professionals inside the Discord community. If the access is completed, you lose your access to the community. Okay. After 1 year, if you don't renew, or after 6 months, if you don't make if you cancel, then you lose access to the community as well. How can I buy with Visa card? I think using Google Pay. Try to use Google Pay, try to include your Visa card on Google Pay, and then it might work. Once we join the training, we will be given a user ID and password. What's this user ID? You get a login area and a password for the course. Yeah. Oracle E1 database. I don't know what's Oracle E1. I know we can work with Oracle. Here, get data, and you can find Oracle. I don't know what's Oracle E1. Let's see, Oracle database. That's what we get. If we want to extend the subscription after 6 months, can we resubscribe the same plan? Yes, it's gonna be automatic. When the 6-month plan finishes, is over, then you're gonna be charged automatically. Of course, you can cancel if you don't want to renew. You can cancel after 6 months. I'm able to pay with debit card through credit card payment system. Okay, that's good. Manage. That's good. In this 6-month plan, do we get dashboards? Yes, you get all 23 dashboards. All of those you get for you. For example, let me show you here how this works, okay? Let's go there to bonus 2, download of dashboards, and then let's suppose I want to download this production dashboard. This one, very nice. You go here, you click there. It's gonna open this zip file, it's gonna download this zip file, and then inside this zip file, we get the database, okay, the file for the database, and some images here, background, and so on. And then you just click on the PBIX file, and you have full access to this dashboard. And you can understand how the measures were created, how the data model was built, and so on. Only those 23 dashboards, how much do you think they were worth? Much more than $25, much more than $97, much more than $192. One single job, one single dashboard of this for a company, it's over $10,000. A project like this. How much do you think one project like this costs for a company? Thousands of dollars. Okay. Look at this, measures, there you go. Data model. All of these data models, all of these measures were built using the best practices. Okay, look at this. Star schema, very beautiful, and so on. Can we disable the option for automatic subscription? I think so, yeah. We can talk with Hotmart to see this, but I think so. It's possible. Guys, you are worried about 6 months in front of today. So first, join the course, and then we talk better about this case, okay? Don't worry about the future so much. Worry about now. Join the course. Start. You have to start. And not put problems in front of something that you didn't start yet. We will provide data source for dashboard. Yes, I just showed data source for the dashboard. Here. This is the data source for this dashboard, for this production dashboard. Let me show you again. Here, data source. You'll get also data sources for SQL, okay? In the SQL bonus, you get a SQL database. Okay, guys, so again, I'm gonna share the link again, okay, for you, for the 6-month plan. This 6-month plan will not be shared anywhere else, so only for you. Do not share with other people because you are here, you deserve it. Others are gonna pay for the year or the monthly plan, okay? So grab this link, hold with you, or the best option for you is to join now, of course. But if you want to join later, so save this link for you. All right, I'm leaving right now because I still did not have lunch. I'm hungry. Can I join the course? Yes. Again, this is the link. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Thank you for being here again, okay? This week was great for me. I hope you liked it as well. So thank you very much. I see you inside the course. All right? Okay, then. Let me see here if everything is clear right now. Yeah, perfect. Any other questions? No, I think it's okay. Okay, guys, so see you later. Bye-bye, and don't forget to join the course with this link here that I'm just sharing again. Bye. See you later.